Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We're headed out on Lake Erie today, do some walleye fishing. I'm going out with Joel from Log Dog Fishing. We're going to be on his boat. He's got a really nice Lund, and we're going to start off jigging, and then we'll probably troll if we have some trouble picking up our fish jigging. But the lake conditions are looking perfect. It's going to be flat, calm out. It's going to be a zoo. So we're getting out there early. It's 5:30 right now, and we're going to hope to be out on the water at 6, and we'll just see what happens. So let's get to the ramp and we'll catch you guys out on the water. Got another one? Damn. Yeah, that's a fish.
Oh, there we go.
Not sure what it is yet.
Yeah.
Woo. And then the waves start.
Yeah.
Center the boat up.
Bend my knees a little.
Yeah. Where are we at?
Come on, stay on.
Oh yeah. That's a good one. Fat.
Yeah.
We like that.
I'll try not to get all over.
Oh, you're good. I don't care.
Everything.
I don't mind. Nice fish, dude. All right.
Crazy buffalo.
Yeah. Oh, there we go.
Got one?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's a big. Oh yeah. Let's
Nice
go.
fish.
Oh, it popped right out too. We gotta love that.
There we go.
Thanks, buddy.
Yeah. Got it?
Yep. Oh yeah. There we go. First one of the morning. I just want to make sure. Oh yeah, we're good.
God dang.
There we go. Now we're in them.
Please keep them stable. Oh yeah, he swam right in there.
And popped right off too. Doesn't get much better than that. No problem. Nice fish.
Oh.
There we go. Tighten up my drag a little bit. Fighting. Nice and easy. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Heck yeah. Oh.
And we had a decision
It's
to make
coming.
a couple years ago about that job. Just so
Exactly.
that you're not shooting.
Exactly.
That for me.
There we go.
There we go.
Oh.
What the
What is going on? That's just a little guy too.
Yeah, that's up to you. You're keeping all the fish today.
Well, I just got jizzed all over.
You need a
Good
rag?
Lord. Start smallmouth fishing.
Oh, come on, be a fish.
That's a fish. We love that. Stay down. Stay down, buddy. Come on. Come on. Don't get in that motor.
Yeah, you go wherever
Really good
you
one.
go. Oh, it's a nice one.
It's a good one.
Biggest one of the day. Nice job.
That's a pig, dude. Wow. Oh man. That is a good one. Whew. That's a nice fish. Dang. Let's go.
I don't like saying that when I'm like that. Because someone else reeling in, I tell them it's a nice fish.
Yeah.
But that's usually like,
and then it's just like in the back or something.
Yeah.
That in there. Oh yeah.
He's way out there.
Right Where you at? Where you at? Oh, there we go. Oh, shithead.
You said it this morning. You haven't caught one yet.
I haven't. You did.
Yeah, right.
Another one? Yeah. Let's go.
Be a walleye. It's feeling like a walleye. Stay on there.
Come on. Come on. Where you at? Oh, it's a good
that's
one.
A nice one.
Oh, dude.
Yeah.
Oh my Lord. I'll bring it this way.
There we go.
Dude. Oh my God.
Heck yeah.
It's huge. Oh my God.
There you go.
It's a big.
On that big when you're jig fishing. Or these all had them black
The
clips.
front clip,
the original
yeah.
clips. There's a fish.
There we go.
Go ahead.
You sure?
Yep.
All right.
No rush. We got plenty of time. All right. You just reel down the right hand. Okay. Does it feel big at all? Is it doing anything?
I can barely feel the head shakes on it, but I mean, it feels decent. What was that one at?
40? Or no, that one was
For the inside one?
That
So
one was
75, 85?
Yeah, I said that one there. Great.
There we go. There's some head shakes.
Oh yeah.
That's a good one. Wow. All right. Well, you know, we'll take that.
Heck yeah.
Good Lord.
Male. Yeah.
Wow.
Nice fish.
Thank you. Thanks for letting me get that one.
Oh, whatever. Gender reveal.
Just a pig.
The difference between 75 feet back and 85 feet back isn't a lot.
No.
I think we got 3 rods at 75 or 2 at 75.
There's 2 at 75 and then that one at 85.
85, so
yeah.
It's, Fin Feather Fur had like the last of his there's a fish.
Just by itself. There we go.
Here. You
Sure?
Yeah, it's your turn anyway. It feels nice. Oh yeah, dude, this thing's pushing forward down. Nice and slow. All I can say. Oh yeah.
Good. Well, this is another, this was 75 again? Or 85?
It's 85.
Oh yeah, this is a good one.
Oh, dude.
Oh my
Take your
God.
time.
No, my Lord.
You tank.
Oh my.
Just there, so they had to have been like
Outside.
way. Yep. Outside.
Just got hammered.
Okay. So this is what I'm talking about. I'm gonna reel this up.
I'll just reel this one in a little bit.
And that's why I don't know. Do you ever watch that?
That one kind of.
You might have 2.
I kind of felt like that one had one on there.
Yeah, there's definitely a fish on there.
All right, I'll bring this one in real quick. Since it's already here.
There's definitely a fish on there.
So it wasn't. There was not one on here,
Yeah,
and
you might have just
I think
like,
I
picking it up.
I think I smashed it while I was like halfway in.
Okay, good.
Yep, definitely one on here. I wanted to get him at least out of that line.
Yeah. Move that line just to get the thing. Oh yeah, he's only got one hook. Nice and slow. Oh yeah.
Yes. Dude, these are good ones too.
Oh yeah.
You start bringing that one in, I'll take care of this.
You sure?
Yep.
All right. Here's those pliers. Just take your time. Don't get the hook in you.
Yeah, we don't need that right now.
See if there's this one. Oh, yeah. Out of your way.
You're good. I already got him off, so. Barely making any progress. Yeah, that thing is just down there. It was back there, that's for sure.
It just feels like I'm just reeling in a saw. Good?
Yep. Oh, it's like in the gill.
Is it? Yeah, it's doing the twirl.
Oh, it's in the mouth, but it's also in the gill.
That's why it's so heavy.
Yeah.
Whoa. Yeah, he's not coming off.
No, I think all 3 hooks are in it. It's a good fish, though.
That's how it usually goes. It is a nice fish, though. I've never had one where it was heavy and it was fucking dying.
Oh, that's a heavy one. Come on.
Oh yeah.
That's a heavy
Yeah,
one.
it's still a fish.
Oh my lord.
Thank you.
Yeah? Good fish, dude.
Dude,
Thing's a
good.
pig. Yeah, that's a good fish. Good one for number 12.
Yeah.
Man,
Heck yeah.
look at that. That's such a good fish, dude.
Yeah. He's all
Wow.
charged up.
Oh yeah, nice fish. Alright guys, well, successful day out on the lake. Joel and I caught our 12 and we caught some really nice fish. We caught a couple big ones while we were jigging. We caught a couple big ones while we were trolling. We ended up catching 7 jigging, then catching our last 5 trolling. We did have to work for them this morning. It wasn't just as easy as we thought it was going to be going out and just jigging our 12. We ended up switching about 9:30 to trolling and we were able to pick up the rest of them doing that. Bandits. Deeper was the ones that we caught bigger fish on, so we were catching them about 75 to 85 back, and we had some really good luck doing that. So I really appreciate Joel having me out on his boat. His Lund is awesome. He's got everything really set up nicely on there for jigging and for trolling especially. If you guys aren't following Joel, check him out on TikTok at Log Dog Fishing. He'll be right here. And he does a lot of tutorials, some how-to stuff. He does live every Wednesday. He's got a lot of good Lake Erie walleye fishing content, so be sure to check him out. And if you guys like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And be sure to check out the Too Many Hobbies podcast. We'll catch you guys in the next video.